There's now 1 minute left. And Emilia Holmgaard from Holy Bean called time with 40 seconds left. And Jonas Mikkelsen Yogurt Coffee called time with 23 seconds left. So, Omar.
Yes, sir.
Now it's going to be really exciting. Let's start with Emilia's first cup then.
I'm gonna try and get as low as I can so no one can see.
Yeah.
All right, first. So you know.
No mark. Okay, we'll go to Magnus' first cup.
So the first one finished today.
There's a mark. We'll go to Jonas' first cup. No mark. Okay. Back to Emilia.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah. Emilia's second cup.
All right. There's a mark.
There's a mark. Second cup, Magnus Wielman Coffee Collective.
There's a mark.
There's also a mark. Second cup, Jonas Mikkelsen Yellowbird Coffee.
There is a mark.
There's a mark. Okay. So we'll go back to Emilia's third cup.
I like how we're extending this.
Yeah.
There's a mark.
There's a mark. Okay, 2 cups. And then I was
Let's go over
told
here.
that we will
Yeah.
jump to Jonas Mikkelsen Yellowbird Coffee's third cup.
No mark.
No mark. Okay. So we'll continue here. Fourth cup.
No mark.
No mark. Okay, we continue there. Fifth cup.
No mark.
No mark. Okay, so we go to Emilia. Okay. This is complex. Then it must be the fourth
Stage
cup
manager
here,
right here.
Yeah. Which? It's you, Omar. It must be. There is a mark.
There's a mark.
Thank you. Okay. So we go to Magnus Wielman Coffee Collective.
There's a mark.
There's a mark. So we go here. I've lost count. Where were we here?
We're over here.
Sixth cup.
6.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
audience.
All right. There's a mark.
There's a mark. Okay.
What's
So
that
we
here?
continue here.
Yeah.
Seventh cup.
There is a mark.
There's a mark. So we get back to Emilia's table then. And do we remember? It must be there, right?
Yes, here.
Yeah, fifth cup.
There is a mark.
There was a mark also. So we go to Magnus Wielman Coffee Collective.
All right. So that
He's
was
on his fourth, right? We haven't
Yep,
even turned
fourth
that
cup.
yet. Okay.
There's a mark.
That was a mark. So we have to go to his last cup now? Okay. So now we'll do the last cup from Jonas Mikkelsen Yellowbird Coffee.
There's a mark.
There's a mark. That makes 4 cups. So everybody actually has the same amount. 4, 4, 4. Okay?
Yep. Should we do it
Okay.
here?
Stage manager, we'll do your bidding. Fifth cup.
No mark.
No mark on Magnus Wielman, okay? So we stay to the sixth cup here.
There's a mark.
There's a mark. Then we have to change table. 6th cup.
There is a mark.
There's a mark.
All right. We'll do this one here.
We stay here. 7th
Yeah.
cup, Emilia, Hongo, Holy Bean.
There is a mark.
There's a mark. So we go back to Magnus Giemann. 7th cup.
There's also
There's
a mark.
also a mark.
All right.
Okay, this is pretty exciting. Okay.
So only one each incorrect, right?
Definitely.
No mark.
No mark. And we go with the last cup of Magnus Giemann.
Make or break. There is a mark.
That's a mark! Magnus Giemann Coffee Collective, 7 out of 7. So we have a champion.
Give it up one more time for our champion.
Are we going for yeah, okay. We have a silver spoon for Emilia Hango from Holy Bean, who got in the semifinals on a cancellation. And the 3rd place bronze. So are we going to do an interview? Yeah?